somewhat evening now. The dusk has faded away. The streets have flashes of neon lights from billboards all over. As usual, I was waiting at the bus stop for my Rapido bike to come and pick me up. I lighted my classic miles. All of a sudden, a cab screeched and halted right in front of me. Down came the glass window. A girl in her teens popped her head out and called me by my name.
Hey Deb, remember me?
I got surprised. Who's this, by the way? I tried hard to recollect, but somehow not able to get her name.
Come in quick, we'll talk on our way.
Without any further ado, I pushed myself in as if some reflex action triggered me to get in.
Okay, let me ease your stress. I am Riya, your college friend.
Yes, now I remember she used to study with me literature. One of the most dashing, attractive girls in our batch. Of course, I had a crush on her, but I never dared to share my feelings with her. Oh, Riya, it's been so long. Where have you been all these years? She was absent-minded.
Let's cut long story short. Post-college, I moved to Bengaluru with a software job.
Oh, she was working then. How come she is here in Hyderabad? What got you here then, Riya? She paused, then casually asked for a fag from me. As far as I remember, she never used to smoke in her college days. I passed one of my classic miles to her, which she lighted in a flash like a pro.
Yes, I'm here on an assignment. Company has provided me with accommodation, so Deb, how about you?
I thought what to answer. Then with great effort, I said, I am working here with a foreign bank. Got married. Have a son. Life has been a settled chapter so far for me, dear. What about you? Riya puffed, took time to settle down, then said,
It's been a fucked up story. I had a boyfriend. He turned out to be a bastard. He played with my emotions and later ditched me. You will not believe I surrendered myself to him completely. I got into depression and landed up in rehab. I remember you used to like me. I could read your body language. Why the hell you didn't share your feelings?
We both got some leisure at least to time travel. I thought what best I could say. Riya, I was scared of rejection. I did have a soft corner for you. Not sure whether that was love, but yes, I thought couple of times to propose you. But it didn't work out. Now it's too late. I have a family. The driver turned around. All this while he was trying to understand our conversation, which was in Bengali, and kept an eye on us through the glass. Madam ji, your place has come. You booked up to here. I noticed that the cab stopped all of a sudden in front of Taj Vivanta. Oh, so this is where Riya has got in.
Oh, that's nice, Deb. Good to know. But you have not changed. You're still a fool. I should say coward. You could have once. Chalo, forget it. I have to get down here. Nice meeting you. We'll catch up some other time.
For a flash, I could see her eyes glittering. Might be tears which smudged the coal. Riya got down after she paid.
Bye, Deb. Maybe next time.
एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है.